In this video, I will show you how can make brand new poster design in your mobile phone. So let's start this video.
Select poster size first of all. And create a project. Click plus icon to add a rectangle shape. Set the scale and position of the shape layer according to me. Flip plus icon and add a one more rectangle shape. Set the scale and position of the shape layer according to me. Flip plus icon and add a one more rectangle shape. Set the scale and position of the shape layer according to me. Click color icon and choose our gradient. See this settings like me. Follow this process carefully. Same gradient setting, apply other two layers. Click plus icon and add a main object. Click this headphone layer and click on top three dots and click flip and add effect in the headphone layer. Effect name is a hue shift. See this setting according to me. Set position and scale according to me. Create duplicate copy of this rectangle layer and move on the top. Click plus icon and make a vector drawing tool to make a selection of this headphone part. Click the circle and join the mask. And again create a duplicate copy of the headphone layer. Slide this both layer and click the upper right corner of the screen. Second option. Click Edit a group and copy the shape and paste it. Please this where and headphone second layer and click on the right corner of the screen. Third option. Change the layer position according to me. See this effect? Click plus icon to add a text. See this font name? See this process carefully. Click brightness icon to low opacity of the text layer. Add one more text layer. Change the color. Set position and scale according to me. Click plus icon and add a one more rectangle layer. Set the position and scaling according to me. stroke icon and enable the struck. Add one more text layer. Set position the text layer. Add one more headphone PNG. Same effect pasted on the second headphone layer. Change the position of the headphone, like me. Clip 3 dots and create a clipping mark. Set the position and scaling position as well. Change the color of the shape layer according to me. Create a duplicate copy of the text layer. And that pastry of a text layer was full, and apply the effect on the text layer effect. Name is a text spacing. Create duplicate copy of the rectangle shape and change the position. Set the scale and position little bit. Create duplicate copy of a text player and change the position little bit. Click the text layer and change the text. Congratulations, your poster are ready. Play.com and export this poster. Click on the current frame as a PNG.
If you want to learn anything else related to editing, click on the videos being shown on the screen. I will get that for you. Thanks for watching.